All right, so we have another repeat, actually not another repeat, this is the first repeat, a repeat workout from our first week of this quarantine period. And it is 400 meters of walking lunges. Wait, don't just click stop on the video yet. I want you guys to do this, all right? There's a 17-minute cap. I do have that cap there for a reason. I don't want you doing more than 17 minutes straight of walking lunges. So for these 400 meters, you can do it anywhere. You can do 20-meter lengths if you want to. You can go to a track. So some tips here. If you can, if you're at the track, maybe do it in the grass. Make it a little bit easier on your knees. If you have knee sleeves, you can put knee sleeves on as a little bit extra padding just to save your knees from getting all scraped up. Or you can wrap your knees with something to just kind of save the skin on your knees for this. I know a lot of you guys are really worried about getting sore because last time you did this, you were sore for 4 or 5 days. So usually your body can adapt fairly quickly. So since you've already done this and got the soreness from it, it's not going to be as bad the second time. You might be sore, yeah, but it's not going to be for several days on end. It might be 1 or 2 days instead. You should be able to walk the next day still. If you have not done this or you did not do this last time, yes, you might be sore. So be aware of that before you start and don't push it too hard if that's the case. So let's talk about your actual walking lunge steps, all right? So when you're doing this, okay, Diane's gonna be down to the bottom of her lunge right here. So we're looking for a good spacing each step, all right? So if you take too big of a step, right, if your foot's out too far, then you're not in a very good position mechanically to be able to do this lunge. You're gonna end up using a lot of hamstrings, it's gonna stretch things out, your quad's not gonna be able to fire very well, all right? So you want your step to be where your knee is about even with your toe, your foot should be flat on the ground, and then as you stand up, you should be driving through your heel in this foot, thinking about using your quads and your butt. Notice your knee stays forward here, all right, as she stands, so she'll stand up, all right? At the top of each step, if you want to, you can stop in between, or you can carry the foot right through. It is up to you. But when you stand up, what I don't want to see is your knee shoot backwards immediately. Because if your knee shoots backwards, that means that you're probably going to end up leaning forwards, which is, again, going to put most of the work being done in your posterior chain and not your quads, all right? So make sure your knee stays forward as you go to stand up. All right, so that's pretty much it for the lunge step. This is a pretty straightforward workout. If you did it last time, you should have a time out there, and you can hopefully compare your time this time to the time last time. And yeah, when you're done, just go ahead and make sure you get into that wad hopper. Maybe you can film yourself, post a little video of it, but click that I did it button and have fun with it, guys. Have fun.